This is the fit, it's super cute, and then I'm gonna wear a hoodie over because sometimes it gets a bit cold, and I also packed some socks, so yeah. OOTD.
Just made it hard.
Cute, cute, cute. This is the fit.
Parece que tá falando com o microfone desligado. Anunciado, Spotify.
Here's a formula. And the tops are for the girls, for Tilly and Nobu, for my sisters, and then these are for Eden. It's my birthday. This is day 2. This is the outfit of the day. The cake I ordered. This cinnamon drink is so freaking good. I don't know what they put in here. It's like a cinnamon latte kind of vibe. I love it so bad. We are doing the helicopter ride.
Because of the rain, any hurt the pilot or anything like No. So you're number 4, number 2.
This is the necklace. I just think it's so cute, simple gold.
200 metros, vire à direita na rua Santa Clara.
Super cute. Of course I have to get pink. And then I got these. I also think these are cute because I feel like they match with everything. And then I just got like a cute little charm. Custom charm, so cute. I wanted to get an F, but then I just felt like that wasn't gonna be giving, so yeah. Oh my gosh guys, I dropped my gimbal and now it's like acting up, so I can't even turn the camera. But anyways, this is a cute little fit of the day and I'm just wearing plain white linen pants. The crazy thing is I've worn nothing that I've packed. And I did a whole shopping cart and all of that stuff. But I haven't been to the beach yet, so since it's my final day, I want to try grab some food, go to the beach, and then I'm going to go stay at a different hotel for my last night. So come with me.